Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to video call in Botim web on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any browser on your iPhone. Go to the Botim web page at web.botim.me or the official Botim web login link. Next, you need to log in. Open the Botim app on your iPhone, tap on settings and select the Botim page. You will see a QR code scanner in the app. Now scan the QR code shown on the Botim web page using your iPhone. Once scanned, your Botim account will sync with the web and you will see your contacts and chat on your browser. Next, go to the contact or chat section on the Botim web. Find the person you want to make a video call. Click on the video camera icon next to their name. Your Botim web will now connect the video call using your iPhone account. Make sure your internet connection is stable for smooth video quality. Also, allow your microphone and camera access when your browser asks for permissions. And that's it. Now you know how to make a call on Botim web using your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.